Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a folder in Google Drive on your computer step by step. Changing folder colors makes it easier to organize your files and quickly identify important folders, so let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your computer and sign in to your Google account. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, locate the folder whose color you want to change. Right-click on the folder. A menu will appear with several options. Move your cursor over Organize, then click Folder Color. You'll see a selection of different colors. Click the color you want to apply to the folder. Google Drive will instantly update the folder with the new color. You can repeat these steps for other folders to create an organized color coding system. For example, you might use blue for work, green for personal files, red for urgent projects, and yellow for shared documents. If you want to change the color again later, simply right-click the folder, choose Organize, select Folder Color, and pick a different color. Using folder colors is a simple way to keep your Google Drive organized and make important folders easier to find. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change the color of a folder in Google Drive on your computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Drive tips, cloud storage tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.